Tá tú a géisioach leis na Gaelgals ar Raidió Rí-Rá.
Okay, gals, so Neil and Troy going to hate a bit le chéile le fada. Rachel, bhí tusa is ansbert le Jamie. Chun very much sin.
Bhí Róisín Dúrach a grálam girl combatant so yeah, so bhí mé san Africa an Clíodhna Rí-Rá Zanzibar cai mé seachtain an agus cai mé rá ní dhearnamid ein like céngail ar researchers taide solar humor agus apparently is rainy season atá on is Zanzibar for láthair. So ní raibh sin rólas gom, I didn't really think it rained in Africa.
Well, bhíon caption sin ad an sin.
Yeah,
like
I
Toto.
guess the rain's down in Africa.
Yeah.
So chun an éarnar bhí sé fós jazz. I'd say raibh sé churbáisí like Kerala os an det lá bhí mar ní raibh sé ró donna, like ní raibh sé ró donna.
Yeah, sin like Aaron.
Yeah, actually bhí sé jazz. Obviously is did a Aaronach mud. Agus ar cracking like fi much wake us on Bostock like fós armwich no vi mar galéir burnt like fós so yeah vi sé jazz so humor fa jet law Donamar in Ostan Sandy's and Tanam a vi air so Mara Matashiv in Zanzibar. I honestly recommend it so much.
Oh yeah, Mavi and Zanzibar.
Oh yeah,
you never know.
Oh yeah,
you never know, gals. You know, like ní raibh sé ar ma lista like Reeve and Mahale, August and Shin, Honey Man Shaw, August Gocton like Fishy in Zanzibar, Erling Sierra apparently that's like the place.
As you do.
So vi me kundal in mi fiara ach for my housemate COVID, so ní raibh mar an andal. So vi mar on sasta vet on. August yeah, rinne mar on maid, hunnig mar dolphins, vi mar snorkeling, vi mar Slave Island. I don't know if you Prison Island to runner. Or hula shift in Prison Island Reef. It's no such a one are like starring slaves in Africa. It's really
you ever go like Freudian slip of it.
No, Prison Island and time tire. Yeah, like kind of star Durka top with Tucklash.
A spatial hearing.
Yeah, spatial.
Yeah. Rich Ainor go back from like green graph like Agatha or Instagram. It's like Nikki and Kane, it means like travel bloggers. They're hanging cheap like the gosh there's just like photogenic, like Instagrammable, like
Lanagy Raishi King.
Yeah, I hear me though. Like Teresa Van shot Adoa, like I'm kind of desensitized because being gocked in it Erin Elaine to see Arcana, so like Thomas just kind of copying gocked in a on fat na blinta.
As few like toss like
I know, yeah, like Tasha Ross gum, but like you're me Sri Lanka August VMR Aaron train chin like Candy go Ella capum. VMR a leg like egg shots of us on train like couldn't the picture I don't know on
honey.
Oh yeah.
But like ní formar on minisian Odini Ella like a she'd on it's say like me jar for I was like gawk Instagram she like oh dinner like you know hanging out of the train so then just and then obviously like na mila lant mila as if na chéile lantar talk a page like jet so she chalked her go my girl like oh my god I'm going to crack all to like came Fogwell to like hang all the mock off on train. I was like oh, everyone does that when they go to Sri Lanka.
Well see Michelle like Rachel a freshman like no toxic kikachi and that new mega roll.
Yeah, I just near Captain Jane Rugby I was like oh yeah you like get the ground.
Team's just like wow Tashi
get the ground.
So gorge.
Yeah.
Team's just obsessed with
girl my god yeah
like
all for the gram.
I mean, all for the gram expression, you know, bish guilty in the fad.
Yeah.
Cave and go.
Yeah, no, we shares.
Yeah. Kurt was the Róisín in crack fast on the Jenny.
Well, you ran on air news on the Zanzibar raw.
Two in Africa.
No, we might hear to throw on a faculty shot in Labradors.
Jazz.
Nach mí dína grog ar bunin like an tráháin agus Zanzibar na
Zanzibar chun marl. Ach bhí sé antas fe Somála mar ní mééis fe Somála písa agus bhí chaig bhí man sa gar cúirte agus an réiteach a garí agus go agus íon trá agus tíoch just níana chléimhhaint agus na gaiir se an cute agus nó bhí se an agus níor hiigman nachras ag golóir daine gur bas an trámáin le daine tá le ar Instagram bhí mar Róisín na gaiileh bhí sa go gapaid nachú beidir cahar na gaiileh si like wow will tú hear a siad má like no like seo bheach ach bhí se an bheith hir agus an sin formas mína crackáilte agus bheith hir bhí me cin ócé an saoirtíochttanis so for me cean na machines bag sin IPL said sure nós laser lí like groig ar de chosa so like hosa me an sin mar ní me gur bh like Queen of a sour cat bhí me girl ná agus tá tú le ar flannel idir like wax so sin mós brocam léana ná a sin íon ar papí style ach hosa me sin sa tráháin Mar mé chuú le ní léana a go meáil agus ní bhéh me mó fiíon an marcó so Zanzibar an tráháin tá si tíach mar chéile.
Osí barlam sa bheits a tráháin fi láthir le ar tamcó fucking homesick like.
Oh
well.
Tá my girl actually dúirt me le meáin go mé my girl like na gailta a go chuir siar bheit se ri tá na siúmí aing is bulam se bethir siar agus bheit mu an just sí mas an áirs chail gotí trá agus gotí pop
sin just mú ar shot
just trasa an isce Just feict cléan ar choch le
tá caiach goin be mag man is be man like probably be loons
no sin sin mó fláin a réchí be gur sipsúir mar bach se go tas Tá se go
honoring
tá sé dachar tá tar an plán chu le chéile leon ri smála mar ní tú smála chu fá le cúpla seachta
le ceir seachtain sinna
so cum like it's not really popular so
agrathe na sin bhd like má carda ón mália táid like ó dreadathe like táid like already taréis Airbnb a chunartha like agus sin na dátí and then that's it I'm done with them like Tá méid tuairt Cailín a gach kind of group of cards agus sin an méid tám
we can do that we can do Cailín
agus bé mé cé heile
Tá really fi mé rá go really gearí to make like photo shoot card goin mar like níl ein pics agan leis an ochtar a goin lena chéile
ochtar cards amid
Is ochtar card mu mar sa club an chat is pat agus chuir in ein ceiste mar le for gweilgads and then chuir in ein ceiste it's like okay this na gweilgads in and then mis agus alta we were just a it's like don't say it and then I was like well like is ochtar card too much chéile san old school agus it's the lad against Instagram agus Podchraoladh but oh my god we were like just agree to make him
cringe
oh god
Curte seachar fós mar like anara is cin bhí like písa ar gus a show se vis dahí agus mar ar RTE agus si siad gebh rins Podchraoladh trú réilge agus rin siad an sapla sin agus bhí me like no shut that ru the smash a chuma amach idiom
it's cool I'm saying
Cam was our
it was daughter tastal
like Róisín Daniel had just like tap it there and teaser Latin it'd be fine
but gar ochtar
na ochtar glóir domsa
but it's like on spas idir gachen and it's like an tone éagsúla bhí
agus caiid á fuma difriúil mar ní ceapan gur maic chola ag go prínta sin
gribh maic ag aon ag an puinte sin cos bhí mar le ní mar hééis like rud a hafid faoin
Ceapam níos agus snéad mar le Raidió na Lifa agus binnéad ídach agus like fós fam cringe cíniu gro sin ar RTE agus céad an gin ní bhid éon éisiúnú ó sin mar céad a go feidir si rá se Podchraoladh gomsa le gur géisi lei sin
is ochtar cardjum which
no mé se le má AirPods
Tá tú géisioach leis na
you know online on meme sin it's like say the line Bart say the line I feel like that's a Róisín like
yeah tá si bhgéisteach le Podchraoladh na Gaelgals or is it no Gaelgals here you might kinsa
Pátrick géisteach leis na Gaelgals
every
Raidió Rí-Rá.
agus
Even them say though.
It's
Don't
bra
wear for fat Róisín like actually.
Can I like fag a gluise sin leis
Yes, I'm more.
Choir bo like bim géisteach leis bim like Raidió Rí-Rá okay ní Raidió na lifa mar I chuige go mar ag a buinte sin bhí red dácheán agus cúnam amhín níos am alswinútí ó an man go milliis ar radio rutíns mar bheasc si sos máthláir chláir sin éiad agus radio. A chu tú gainar tan seansalathe Raidió Rí-Ráis ar de?
Yeah.
Tá chosáasa mar duine siad áir siad stáisiún, like tá éid sprí tá leis Podchraoladh take agus.
Yeah, I feel bhfuil like foiineamh nu ag an stáisiún inis bhfuil like dé techt é agus bei seola nua an stúdio nu an tratan cuain plug. But yeah, go like níos mó láthair ag Rí-Rá faoi láthair agus leis na sansáile.
Tá Raidió Rí-Rá ionintach mar tuintid eisiid agus a canó.
Yeah.
Den an that ever the
it's very lots of just like kind of football hard to copy hear the glory hain agus as far doing it it's like kneeling
like ní dóile raibh mé ar an Raidió Rí in Hail raibh an Podchraoladh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nish been to where we got cookies right.
Nish is pro
me.
An raibh mé ag an dúirt mé libh raibh mé ar ihe amach in dóil like timpeall Lila Padra capan agus dúirt Cailín Rúnaí raibh si ag éisteacht leis lenar Podchraoladh.
No
agus,
way.
Like, yeah, agus bhí aithne aici ar maglóir.
No way.
Yeah. So like tháinig si suas thugam like agus mé ar meis and she was like, oh my god, tá tosa ar Podchraoladh na Gaelgals nach bhfuil. Bhí mé fécinn ar de leathnach Instagram agus bhí mé géisteach le Podchraoladh and I was like, oh my god.
Hello, Hara.
In Qatar, like sin class.
Well, beidir go si géisteach nacht, so hello.
Yeah. Hi, shout out.
Tá sé asochaí gannain dína muid ag agus orintí leirtar a daon sa sin hééis písa be se like oh agus do Podchraoladh má like oh okay Nis tu gim gola sad an seafod a vín ar siúlám le háte. Ní idir chun LinkedIn version go Róisín níhfuil an it's antí bheile.
But dahan burst the club me a Jerry Chaffin the Scotch didn't want that you may USI and I was like no.
I was like got a cappy shit of her painted.
Yeah, I was like oh yeah should this shit to be real shit and then didn't want was like oh Lanham you were Twitter and I was like oh please Overlum to Lanham Marashi and then dear Lan oh no.
Then I call you here
yeah. Ní man an cin so sat. Like ní chuann tú tachtúcht arás an níos bhfuil. No se biste.
Bhí gurí é Rob an mé chun é Rob.
Yeah, tá éháil. Yeah, bí an tréimh si agus sibrid faoi like tá 8 an tá sam gur clíise 8 gáid ach tá de ag dtíine se a séir tá se cas
sin like an rud is far faoi ná like just go fed on just like
ní
ligand
like mohim like is even an bio aigen agus tá can troi am hoop mar fiú maril siid sa humor ca se déine mar an trúir whereas muid a déach mid like oh ní gar a se ring wat eercht a seo hafid inné agus ní airing
so bhí mé agus Róisín a bhád ra hungover.
Ní a bra arm like
ní raibh mór Rí-Rá go.
A bhí was post like okay.
Literally an duine is mé agratha riomh like I'm so chaotic. Brian, like him like gach episode of Will May Air, it's like always just like so like and with air it's like anything could happen.
But it's mallamation between Troy and Gahoria because it's just like I think of me
chaotic.
And then like I'm changing and not going my air now like with a loyal Valentine probably in Tom shot and I no like Blino hitting already again.
Kevin on my can't shot.
It was like it was Ken Finney.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That was my curry. Oh, curry.
He can masala. Yeah.
Mohica masala.
Monan bread.
Monan bread. Yeah.
Okay, tá hééis bheit Harbh meta agus.
Dorás agus éist leis an agran sin cos tá sé agran.
No éis sé éon eile Chris a chuteag.
No, bhí sé actually gohíntaach. Agus an rinne mar like bloopers den
Ringe.
agran. Because that was so funny. Mohica masala, not great.
Yeah.
But I feel like ein organ and bloopers agam, it's just misha, just a goiry no jenna.
Yeah,
like a raw already fucking amaduk like.
Oh, yeah, sé pí amachchan mar bhí mar fós an áras an agus tú bh fós a gobad ag go printe sin so sin os cin blianachan.
Yeah, I think Raidió sin like.
Oh yeah, it's like a Laura pandemic, like lockdown.
That was like lockdown.
Bhí mar literally ag dul as ar meabhar sin an fágra muid ag cuioine ag goire ag rud ag an nachrah.
I mean, I don't think we'll much like on a quiz needs fire. Like no.
Tá má mufuoin túis so sé rud céil. Bhí agran a híd freisin bhí tá gur tu ar réit lí a céil bhí an caiint bhí ceol
Codas bríle cheese.
Yeah.
Mis agus Lucy a bhí an sé like 3 or an
Yeah.
On déanamh.
Agus like agran go like tíochaúba atá agus net agur. No.
Ní form our own content like it was literally on this massery. Got for the Hanig off and I was like, why did I say that though?
It's like Black Eyed Peas. Oh, really? Sin an intro go
like obviously
the tangents like
Ein did tag éisicle seo like take ship like nachhfuil an túir gona hééis se bheith fiú léir Garrett lena chéile le fada I'd say Róisín like an Oriana mé like leir lá Garrett now like a law and you the bhre law. I mean
see my moat.
Yeah, and then
like Aoife.
And then and then Rachel just like an Irish Chicago I'd say no like
yeah.
I ran Dernock so like
because ní Jessica in Bula Susa Chéile like
yeah
so
I think má touch bhí éisicle seo is agran Harbh like catchy up bhé hain but bhí mé rá na scéalta is mó kind of airly meán fi láthair ná Wagatha Christie is up an tatan seo agus Derry Girls hánig Derry Girls an tatan seo RIP bhí sé anhá mar argan but Wagatha Christie an raibh sibh cuineál súil ar an scéal nó bhfuil iscuh
Beganí bag beads up like fecin PC or like Instagram there should like ní bheith career a bit ag Rebecca Vardy hééis se but like Rashid an ruí
an rah career
bhím like an crétar ní bheith pínecha.
Rá níl foiach ar let's go shockis on like road it was Rebecca Vardy's character sin an maid atá gum I think chuig mé rud igen beag ar Twitter nach ra Wayne Rooney agus a bhain chéile I court an shocking to catch mar bhí rud igen ar siúlaí or I don't know sin an maid like I don't know anything about it.
It's like tá sé good jazz I think mar like rud le bheith bradna ar mar I know go bhfuil like táás cúirte an le Johnny Depp agus go dul shock
tá sé sin trom galore
just like co-trom agus co-problematic agus an kind of an scéalar fad faoi agus like an fubleocht like faoi freisin like there's just níl sé ag lí Garrett lomsar aonos agus dearan like leis na gailge like but an rud faoi Wagatha Christie ná bhfuil sé co-éadrom agus tá sé co-harmless agus is just Dini leis an ommerga ama agus an ommerga agad ag airgóint agus I tógáil cás cuairte. Tá
sé down eile head gáán níl sam culture go ní atá. Agus is asla tá si freisin. Ní like Los Angeles ní
it's just like trasna nisce like
agus like a bhacha se Wayne Rooney like
but it's like
stay that.
You're my girl.
But it's like honnig made TikTok and it was like Wayne Rooney agus Jamie Vardy like ag bulan an a chéile chocolate and sure like some witinish like ag argon le chéile it's like sure
it's come low a fresh and honnig me rud igen ar Twitter faoin like Imrie and Jamie Vardy níos fearn or atá like scandal like tarling to the tail like I don't know an fearation but
Beidir goil duine an taidí an ceocht a ráis ar dúá sa cheola gailgáils ag gmail.com.
Níl mu taidir sin
No.
lib sé anmh dúin
Siad é méid a smútá an fao pell. Siad é.
Wags.
Cheryl Cole, 2006, sin
mé Cheryl Cole an tanna fós
well Cheryl Tweedy efra pizza.
But yeah, so basically like an bun scale is doca ná greibh Cailín Rúnaí a chur scéalta suas ar Instagram agus greibh duine éigins in quotation marks a chur scéalta sin chuig na paps agus na meáin éagsúla.
Ar close friends nu ar
scéal príomhóideach
ar scéal príomhóideach so obviously agus is rudí like person de bhíann like greibh si roiint le na cairde like na cairde security agus an sin is dogus hosigh si an sting operation seo le teacht ar céim duine atá ann so basically when she gach duine so hiag si kind of cé a bheith ann nó bhí so go tom ar le eici ar cé bhíann ní si cínta so chuir si when she gach duine ónna scéal príomhóideach nó chuir si na scéalta i bhlach.
Like réir chéile bhain si dtíine.
De réir chéile agus
process of elimination.
agus faoi éire so didn't be like bhí scéalaici faoi like teach a bheith flooded nó ag mar sin agus sin go raibh si ag dul greibh si ag dul go Mexico le like gender selection treatment a bheith.
Bhí ceann eile faoi timpiste cá an ar hí.
So like stuff mar sin it was agus an sin bhí na scéalta sin sna meáin like shatan in sin. So depéir chéile bhain sin daoine óna scéal agus an sin hiag si gur cúntas Rebecca Verdi nó ban chéile so
agus ní dúirt si gur bí Rebecca Verdi bhí an
gur bí an cúntas.
Si Rebecca Verdi's account bhí an.
So ní dúirt si
just ar agla dámeh duine aigen like a gceannas ar an cúntas.
Like PR no whatever.
Bíon anna cuid like cúntóirí nó daoine mar sin ag na daoine seo like community ar na cúntas ar na meáin thoisialta.
Ar nás na gailgáils ag níon clúin chuir.
Tá gan ar.
I'm like, fire emoji, fair play hoig.
Gailgáils a bhí an.
Go muide. Tá intern a hín sa cúngi hít.
Intern TG cars.
Chaser.
So sin é kind of fun sparring scale but is stoka an rud fao seo ná like gur fléis gan an scale agus like an méid oibre a chur Cailín Rúnaí so like it's Cailín Rúnaí ban Wayne Rooney so it's ear fellador Man United agus asna and then Rebecca Verdi is ban chéile Jamie Verdi so bín teisna gimmer le Leicester so is birch imóí pelle like mór le rá iad agus na mná chéile seo fresh I think like Cailín Rúnaí bisha agus Posh Boys were like the wags
the pre-wags
like back in the day like fi sheets and just like gachot so agus an sin tá cás cúirte inis átógáil ag Rebecca Verdi I gcuin ag Cailín Rúnaí Marialler Clúdhna so it's like defamation no like it's
libel
libel agus defamation and submission so
agus loss of earnings nor the expression
agus
so Pinchy Gopper
so it's okay
Jane of Kurds Cailín and she
agus okay but see if Rebecca Verdi ag gompur cléine if she like shocked me ag an am nuair is squealy on scale seo so it's an rud tá si gur gur croch sé adequate strusty agus
fair
sin foralta
tá sé rá nach ise a squeal na scale seo gur
intern a bhí
gur duine eile ar a fuair atá ann agus
trollol
so tá si ag basic tógáil an cás cúirte seo a gcuine na Roonies no Cailín Rúnaí is stocha
na Roonies
na Rúna
God Darren to Cailín Rúnaí I think you're calling her Wayne Rooney's girl like Cailín is her name
ach mis tá cin ar Rooney like Alswin sa cúlacht like bhí mar Rooney
So inis like an rud like Twitter not is just an cossport agus tá like chuid some stuff atá chat amach like absolutely just á féisteach a le. So I think an príomhrod ná go bhfuil star ag Rebecca Vardy as scéalta a scoile leis na meáin agus lena gníomhre so lena agent. So tá sé sin kind of tag amach go bhfuil sé croithe gomíonn si chur scéalta aráig faoi gcuoine eile chuig na meáin agus fáil íceachtaí nó go béad. So basically an rud atá le Jennifer Eki ná caihí si basically caihí crothú nach is a bhíon nó nach duine ónna cúntas a scoil le scéalta seo. But I think like anna chuid and stuff talk to market and stuff on court. So like if you didn't Kirkesta was it Rebecca Vardy no Cailín Rúnaí no Barrett was a Curtis Breela FFS. So is it like for fuck's sake? And then it was like Dinaka was like, oh, can I like leis an brev? And the brev was like, yeah, and then she was like, oh, for fuck's sake, you're on.
Saola damach Dina group chat na Gael Girls a léamh osort.
Yeah, sorry now. And then been rushing like for Peter Andre, Grev. So basically,
oh yeah, get rushing.
Right. So basically, go dirt Rebecca Vardy that Grev she Brevadicus August go mean mass eki Prevadicus Dini, and then Clíodhna Cailín Rúnaí. Dirt session. Oh well, squeal 2 on scale show with Peter Andre and Ag Labhraíonn to. Rita Lamach and it was like faoina chuid tralav híos an sin. Yeah, faoina bud. Bhí big gear that PG we sure Róisín.
Tá tú hééis mar gasclís na gur tá níl se PG.
Okay, yeah, I know, but anyways. Agus bhí sé rágra sé blog bíach agus gur scuúla sin amach man and he was like, oh well, I'm crediting to your pre-project nuair dearing to na rudí sin faoi gcuoine eile. So níl me hééis actually still have air like people on this, but tá sé really spicy is brala me just leis an content like tá sé but see an rud not like tá sé really harmless as in like data Rebecca Vardy just like gone in running in but tá sé hééis an cost cuirte straw a hógáil Gwynar Cailín Rúnaí agus níos tá sé just tréis like puil a hucailt dihain but like céint already fresh ná gur chail an gníomhre an phone a bhí na chatdrachtí air ó Rebecca Vardy as an scéal scuil like as na scéal sin a scuil nó cléirt. So yeah, just all quick stuff in ní dólam gur mis an is fear.
Well, bhí me galrá chonig me ar Instagram an gníomh leisán má féh ar na G tá Podchraoladh ag BBC frí seo de bhana Wagatha Christie agus suirtí gon na hagran gar galore so mat a spéis agé marhil be gar na clicks a hurts gon Daily Mail na tada is féidir éisteach le sin ón BBC so bhés a go mé choir fear
an shout out na seachs na Jane Gwen
shout out na seachna go BBC níos mar chola
I made the BBC.
cheap gur sin chospéisiú ghfuil Podchraoladh ag BBC faoi Wagatha Christie.
Yeah. But I think what she tastal mar like just go hard no but as in like le Twitter just be an urchin like stuff mag agus an urchin tourmé dini so like
let's let go on Simon because
it's a
huge meme
such a édrom.
Tá sé go édrom like a rís murderit me is like just dini le an number agad agus number ama acu leis na cost na cuirte so a hógáil but it's few like I don't know €2 million an cost cuirte like tá sé sin an target tá sé
ach ní tá sin chop sin tá sé craáilta like rinne bhacht a héal mílse go dó na jóir ach iad san sin mar mí gobar agus fach se tairíis.
Yeah, agus I'd say go bhfuil siad ag déanamh an méid agad as an poibliocht
sin rud.
Níor sam sa céh Rebecca Vardy rih no an chétar hí si gur go me
but sin rud I'd say grave like deachlú a prohidí leis an cost cuirte.
Níos tá an cé hain. So
I'd say go bhfuil like go bhfuil siad ansás go like Podchraoladh agus TikTok's Jane to acu agus tá si trending ar Twitter like
inis tá si like bhí mar Podchraoladh na Gael Girls sin spruc mo héal baint tá scéil sin crackáilta.
agus mar bhí marrá like tan ru faoi like John Depp agus Amber Heard like tá sé just an codisteach tá an it's like bravalam do make like chéile bio ar an cáspóir le Cailín Rúnaí agus Rebecca Brown because I just think it makes you go grand for agus chuir siad ceist faoi ar Wayne Rooney faoin like like tá láthair pre-project Instagram agad and he was like yeah and it was like was a rune 08 sin an tamatá like yeah like say like did raw like the finsta or like a
Má cheansa actually mó finsta agus ní lá me le nach chun si chud a chugam nach cum chuit.
Oh yeah.
Ní bhé aon duna seachas a dtíún scéisteach le seo agus urga le cant seáid. Gonaidí lib.
But yeah, sin Wagatha Christie béisi simú like céin tuirvéis ag seo nó céin tungur ag like amach an seo.
A mé éon tin chuirge rud.
Oh agus sorry
Reeling in the years beidir.
Oh no sao like a Goblin beidir bei documentary ar Netflix.
Yeah, bé cínte. Yeah.
Céimh mar Cailín Rúnaí. Bé like Saoirse Ronan nó did he. Rebecca Vardy, Angelina Jolie. Tá si líos céile.
Yeah, agus an rud eile ná like na pictóid, you know, like I mean she like tarrant like cartoon just na dín like sketches.
Oh yeah.
Court na cín le Wayne Rooney. Oh my god. Like I know go sé tréis like níl sé hééis tréis dul an ish co gracefully so bhíonn ag daoine eile, but just na picture a bhín na court artist like a tarrant air that should program for college of Jen Google she'd like absolutely gas.
Well, gur bhí mad as an nervas sin clí.
Yeah, fátaró
hang
sin chunas mar chaham chud intí ní go is a fécin déir chuidir agus
sinné Isáid den an scéil smú eile bhí an ná ggurchríoch na Derry Girls.
Yeah, oh my god.
Ra sé breanir lena blianta nó.
Yeah, bhí me se.
Tá se choáiseach mar tá se cíochnaínis ní bhéh se. Wow.
Níl an episode déirnach fe hagam go fá. Just marall ar like tá sé có Jackar é all an seo. Like log all stock in my VPN and then dull air like channel 4 on my phone. Agus sin é occur ar cast if I on telly and it's just like
Jesus.
Like, it's like sponsorship all John VPN like Nord VPN.
Captain go she like illegal so major
rip
not the character make Roisín and Ozard but anyway but fresh and Atomic fake and there le Rachel so like kind of like a sucker and then it's like an over a chain stock but yeah no I will be a queena Darren
bhí me sé queena so bhí agran ar in March so sin kind of an agran an gná agran Jarnach and then bhí cean specialta if we going to in an chéiste agus bhí like kind of is clar or clig a bhí an sin so bhí me really queena ar in March kind of an gná agran Jarnach sin like oh my god activation rate so just all of it to hain tá really bronach ag Dara but then an céim for ina céiste fresh and tá like kind of like bittersweet and running and it's like
fear spatial
really spatial
that's good so an chora we was said never the maha agus so the narrate should lob na bhí process le galrá agus mar was said an scríb nóir acu sin an síle bheice so táhachtach go bhfuil mé se blianta bailí hagus go fósan an leirt fao ar nos chuála se op sin teachchas muid breú sé agus fel like oh John Hume agus se le like Thomas an brenn scale person to bagnach.
And I think like Gore had doing it well dumps it anyway like a goni brought him Aaron Quidget and star Nagar Road like really jarfuck because just go hard shake a haska August Gerwood either comedian August like sure cotton have knocknick aimed in a total tall or son or no kind of ain reference we all going Janie you know like Bratton to sheer Tishker or English and go Martin to sheer and just go oh like yeah sure like just Harlan Rudshaw and then we got Gabra and Eeg but I think áirithe agus stuff níl leis na sé chun bhí láthir agus gohfuil kind of an doléir sinnéandó gur like just bhí an tam really iúnach don chláir le bheith ag teachtamach agus hadn si mórlam, but bhí an chuid gailge sa srá Jerry an raithnig si bhar nar hén si go gur
agus iad sa gailtacht
Bhí se sin ionintach mar ní rá fóhead ní sambo teir
ceap mé raibh sin an simú raibh gailge a got bhí tú obviously ná é his
like seachan.
But I'd say like Vidini at fake there like base like Dini like us on Sasner like kveat. Agus ní raibh an gael gacu agus iad fake there agus ní raibh foheadal.
Hang se sin lom nach foheadal.
Mr. Freshen, like I thought it was brilliant.
I was hadn't she lum grave like was it James? He was like, is she having a stroke? And it's like she's an Irish speaker, James.
Yeah.
Like
and then you should like a girl like, oh my Irish wouldn't be great now.
Yeah. And then Claire was like, oh like I dropped Irish because like I thought that like French or German would like be really beneficial to be going to university, and then Michelle was like, we don't want your CU uniform now, Claire.
Yeah. Because Derek got deviation or talk to like you know a current cast. It was I mean to Claire talk like oh I don't have Irish like I concentrated on French.
Yeah. It's Malam go she'd nearly should end because like Mar Gailgory like like it's kind of like going being too borehead or being spoiled get lar berla go make she but ní raibh she'd really we should really should get jassy and then
agus fi se an réalaoch camera mar sinna or chora bhíon ein go háminic fi se go
I did a Russian amachtasation but you know sin agran Jerrynox sa shoppa feel like and it was like all more liter or Nirvana liter more Kent in the core he's the show.
Oh Niaka machine chonig ba kudala be like Shanokul near the hands.
No
Nirvana.
Yeah. So again Kentucky so basically we didn't in the Kuntori Alina is us. It's us liter more Dino it's us in Olive Dino it's us kind of more
Nirvana
agus screechy core has like all more or it was all more Nirvana liter more
okay come on
she really contusig like Aaron Till some writing to share but
because Nirvana na charú like added so Tom it's sin go ma so mas also gorm it's a pibliach show
no vi Sean but like because near hug mission we jar in over Bradney because we kind of a Bradney these more in scale like in the
yeah
and then I think le Derry Girls no le Clara mar sin cai Bradney Shearer who like Easter egg sin
I'm no an agran sin leis Clodómh Twitter in the for Denny's picture vi mar de chaid an agus vid chulin an le choirtóbia
tá sin like museum inis tá like museum acu it's like it's like pobl choráint in Nordig mar sin agus tá sé mar kind of an difriocht idir an dá phobal so
vi sin co-grandver
agus hí na tílínta sin ón agran sin nach se sin Arab san agran seo mar gur cinna Easter das hín sin agus de láirt fé
hí le cúpla Easter egg jazz acu ón na stratha rive so gan like new magic towards in
ní me gar neomrá
no but vi an but I think like gohorithe doghine ó jas agus daoine sástanna Beiidir go dogan sé like bhád níos is doing faoin star agus gohoir like na scéalta páirtna sin because I don't think go diggin like ar luúin céir go dtír go bhíh doráid no
bhí mit óg
agus
you know
is málam le cos Darren Lisa McGee sin an scríbnóir Darren is gur bise éan so sin like tá sé gin an scéal in like faoina dearcha so sin kind of le rudí vís ag doráig an as like an am sin
Tá bra ar achtarmid hís rá fós Courtney agus Travis an gilh
what
agus tá gúna gorge ní eáil like mar chonig man na picture agus si ag tá chóirt agus sim like ugh Courtney no se bháinú se
oh my god
tá se go
like should like breaking news there the
no bhí marrá brother is even lom
it's
even raw tack up
it's even Travis but you call like soccer in a Reagan because she really like Raiku shock
tá it's been to chasta just poke chéile ma like tíanna ach fóstrid agus a gúna álan ara agus tá sásob is even sa like gas mar sin smálam
gas just Adrian agus
bhfuil te breanú ar an chlár ar Disney Plus
Bratning mé ar cúpla agran nervví códerm agus
Tá se cho difriúil ón ceannar í
cos níor bratna mé ar keeping up with the Kardashians and then just me like all bratna mé ar seo hatan si lom bhí si grant like grand
se an difriú
Yeah.
It's a bit too real.
Yeah. Why on Reverend Ken River like he's polished or like
no bhín cáile like oh we're so wacky and zany like oh céir de bhééis ar siúla you know ach tá sé spéisiú mar dar nó tá so tá céim ní sinna agus sin Kendall agus Cailín sin fós ó golóir ach faoin ná go mééis se Tinbeg an níos sin bé Northwest agus Mason District agus telag so tar nó go like plán ebrumach go like go mé chéglún eile ré a ghlacha selvan na a bhééis Cailín agus Kendall be an níos sinna tá sé crackil yeah
it's had an clip sin was it rain agus hasbon sé rud do Kim if we like an glithe or was it like,
oh yeah
didn't in a pastí agus
it's Roblox or the
Roblox if we like clip on Fishan or anything please go ahead
Kim K superstar
yeah agus and then she was like we should have it was like oh like it's clear that and she's like it's a game with my name and my face on it well we're gonna sue them and like it was just like did you go like yeah that
actually she brought like tan támam tan tarigam tan nascam leis an tína certa níl fibre bill se nuair se so I'm like wow mar nar hála sé a hána ní rá níor clúice inis tá si le Pete Davidson agus tá sí sása
yeah always brala me le Pete David
aisteach ach
but I think like
galore.
I think in nearing she doc like you don't know what I mean like I don't know or into being like dinner needs Rikushi tassel when Avine's like really gonna hawk I feel like I mean she like really gonna hawk she's like boom 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 whereas like Ashley he's just like oh yeah like blah, 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 blah. Like it's fine
Tá sé fágáil Saturday Night Live hannig man sin bro tá hééis choir like trí tangent
I feel like you're being like on Dana honestly
tá brúnarm
yeah I think you've been on Tom Gals like go hall of Vicatal Sue's live she's so really chaotic Bronner
hassta se
Bronner agus ní Bronner
Ca mé gra sé Granver gohfuil mé ar like agran bunathe pop culture because ní cumad an suas le ein rud like literally mis an like no like Neil Fackrell scum faoin Wagatha Christie I'm like no I actually haven't seen an episode Derry Girls you beam shake fake and you're keeping up with the Kardashians.
Marta seal social dad.
Yeah. I'm like rogue.
Well, Rachel
now I know Marshall script, but like I was in Africa.
I'm like, chuig mar their Instagram. Mo chean is like, oh, se ma chafi I Gildara. Se ma chafi eile I Gildara.
This is just like here's a Geary. Here's a Geary.
Agus
Sean Tra Kane Geary. Imagine like.
Well, Miss literally ag coir na leanta. Like goodie Sierra. I am so buzzing like cuaig shocked in a capam agus
okay come is Airbnb hooker they should any
absolutely.
Well look a story gurmí agah agus as vetlin ar an agrán chaotic show gals vi gálan venar live agus Maris gná as féidir live muid a lanint ar Gail _gals in 2 out of 3 places agus Nicole Gals in
the other one
no Gals like gmail.com
it's Dr. Carter which le sim an part of the
egg show an ain dinner reef was
no well dúsciol ring me down there in agran shop bhí me go lars fi Paris but
oh yeah that's mar bhí Paris
go má ach go dim bhála sné stop
literally mis ag fan up there an scale omlan
oh you're holding scale
when did the girls agron free show and chat on agron Jared
oh my god Rachel you're age too
I didn't even watch the last episode of Derry Girls Róisín
okay so we're at the Harl go hanskipping mar tan agron check definitely so bhí mud san óstan agus bhí nuir tatú in óstan le grúpa cards a le go gang sil slé breakfast ar dús agus sin go na gang aids be duine si go máhard chum mis suas agus bhí Lucy Snéid agus Aoife ag go máhard chum agus Alison suas agus hí fear sí an le Lucy agus thug se mála ise agus móhála agus riise agus chuise cóta th móhála is chaise bhé mála Lucy rud atá hilarious mar tam se hobroke agus ní ra mór an thurbe bhí like burner phone am mar bhíon phone shop riiste agus ní ra an agad an tada ach bhí mo passport so hín thurslo cna mí aige sin ach bhí se tá hí na Gardaí anzás bhí Garda Harbh dathúláán Gabriel ach bhí anchraach an í ach chu a héanagus alshain sin bhile lu mar bhí sé just chutarsúil an próséis se le girl agus in embassy agus fáil passport nó agus Bhímas mar amach agus cinna bhílte an siide ach bhí cholína sláán agus sin ceiste smúbhí mas fáil ón na Guardian ná ok ní léonar a ggurtaí so is léir go míon dína ggurtaí sin é agus stuff sin stuff
fós brnach though
ach sin
é sin cracklig
ar buinte sin ach gur míad magaí as bheith éisiocht agus gur míle magaí as bheith chorálum a nacht gur míle
slán